Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. In this video today, we're going to be discussing the notion of quote-unquote shelf companies here in Thailand. In many jurisdictions, you'll have what are called shelf companies. And it's sort of a colloquialism for a company that's legally formed, has its paperwork in order and everything, but it's literally just sitting on the shelf of a law office somewhere, and it's not effectively operating, if you will. With respect to Thailand, I get asked this rather frequently, well, don't you have a shelf company just sitting around that I can just take control of for those who want to do business here? Unfortunately, due to the fact that Thailand has certain rules with respect to maintenance of corporate records, as well as filing of audited financial statements on a routine basis, etc., the notion of a shelf company per se is not particularly accurate when discussing corporate matters in Thailand. In a way, yes, there are companies that are sort of sitting dormant and can be utilized for specific purposes, but in most cases when I'm dealing with a client or when the Thai lawyers and myself, for example, on like an amity certification case or something like that with respect to corporations, we're probably going to want to go ahead and set up a brand new company for that individual for a host of different reasons. In some cases, though, yeah, a previously existing company can be very useful for individuals wishing to do business here in Thailand, and for that reason, sometimes they are utilized. But as a practical matter, it's not overly common to see, a law office that's just got companies all sitting around on a shelf, because quite frankly, it's somewhat cost prohibitive, because the person that's maintaining the company has to pay certain costs and fees, and failure to do certain activities that are basically of a maintenance-like nature can result in fines and penalties from the government here. So while I guess you could say that there are sometimes there's situations where there may be an entity that's akin to a shelf company, as a matter of routine, it's not an overly common thing to see. That being stated, as previously noted, shelf corporations or previously existing companies can provide benefits to certain individuals under certain circumstances. So it's not altogether sort of unheard of, or the notion is not like wholly foreign to corporate matters here in Thailand, but it's just not something that happens with any degree of particular frequency.